So you might be trying to figure out how to use guided access on your iPhone. Now, doing this is pretty basic. It doesn't really take too much time at all. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over to your settings application. So then you want to go and scroll down until you see general. So then you want to go and scroll down until you see accessibility, which is right here. So tap into accessibility and then this next page is going to come up. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and scroll over until you find the guided access option, which is right here. So tap on the guided access, and then you want to go and click and enable guided access right here. Now there are a few different options that you can basically kind of configure on if you want to go and kind of configure guided access even further. So you can have your passcode settings set up so you can have guided access use your Face ID. And what guided access even is that it will basically stop you from leaving that application. So for example, if you triple click your power button, it'll stop you from leaving that particular app. Now, I don't know if you want to have that happen or not, but if you do, then you can enable it this way. Now, if you want to, you can have a passcode option set up. In most cases, you probably don't want to. And you can set up time limits as well if you really want to set it up. And you can have the accessibility shortcut and you can display auto lock. Now, as soon as this is basically set up, what you can do is you can make your way over into an application. So now that you made your way into an app, what you can do then is you can triple click the side button or the power button. So 1, 2, 3. And then when you do that, it's going to open up your guided access panel. So at the very top left, it's going to allow you to cancel out of guided access. So you can just cancel out of it if you want to. You can start guided access by clicking in the top right corner, or in the bottom left corner, you can tap on options and you can get a few more options within guided access. So side button control, volume buttons, motion, so many other things. You can kind of configure it whichever way you want to. Now when you're ready, you can go and click on start and you can go and set a passcode that you want. In this case, we'll just go and set a bunch of zeros and we'll go and set a bunch of zeros again. And now we are stuck in this application. So now you have enabled guided access. You can now basically do whatever you want with it within this application. You can see if I swipe up, it's not allowing me to swipe up. And if I swipe down, it's not allowing me to swipe down. You can still click on the power button as you can see, but it's not going to allow you to even close the phone. So if you want to get out of guided access now, what you can do is you can triple click the side button. So 1, 2, 3, and it's going to allow you to type in that passcode. So now you can type in that passcode whatever you set it as, and then you can go and click on done in the top left corner, and that is it. You are now allowed to use your phone whichever way you want to, and that is basically how you can use guided access on your iPhone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.